by Imagine Dragons. But right now we're going to do a rock classic, which is Smoke on the Water. And I'll tell you what, I'm just going to play through it first, and then I'll give you the instructions, and then we'll go back and play it again later. So on the G string. Okay, so that's Smoke on Water. You probably recognize that tune. And you saw the fret numbers go up there. I'm using just the G string, which is our string number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 up the top here. And the frets were open, which was the 0, and then 3, and then 5. And then the next bit was open, 3, and then a quick 6, 5. And then again we did open, 3, 5, and then ended up with 3, open. So there's only 4 notes in the whole thing. So the open, 3, 5, or 6. One thing you can try and do that'll really help your melody playing is try and use a different finger on each fret. So sometimes when people first learn this, which is fine, you can use one finger. So you kind of, your hand goes up and down the ukulele like that. So if you want to do it like that for the moment, that's good. What you can try and do is use your index finger for number 3 there, use your ring finger for 5, and use your little finger for number 6. Sorry, just there. And so that means you've actually kind of got your index finger on 3, then 4, then 5, and then 6. So you're not using your middle finger in this because that's on fret number 4. So we're going to leave that out. And you're just left with finger 1, 3, and 4, like that. So it's... You can see there, my hand doesn't have to move anywhere because my fingers are already sitting over the frets. So anytime you do a melody, or even if you're playing chord changes, always try and figure out which finger is the best one to use. That means your hand doesn't have to like move up and down. So the less movement your hand has to do, the better. Okay, let's try the tune one more time. You can also shake the string a little bit. Think called vibrato, where you kind of give it a little bit of a shake like that when you land on a long note. Okay, so that is Smoke on Water by the band Deep Purple. Go check out some YouTube videos of them playing live on stage. It's a great rock band and a great tune.